What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back to another custom video. This one's gonna be probably my favorite custom when it's completely done. It's gonna need a lot of different things to finish it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So what is the sneaker gonna be that I shall be customizing? Yes, the Fear of God 1. I got these from Round 2 New York City, and I can't wait to finish the sneaker. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to take the laces out. Yeah, I'll take the laces out, whatever. I'm going to take the laces out, and I'm going to clean the whole bottom. I'm going to clean it with acetone. Then I have my scuff pad right here. So I'm going to scuff up the whole sole so paint can adhere to it. So, yeah. Let's get this step over with, shall we? Alright, so like I said, I'm going to unlace these sneakers. I don't think I should have to show you guys how to unlace sneakers, but whatever. It's not like it's difficult or anything to do. It's more of a pain in the butt. Alright. Laces out. So like I said, next thing I'm going to be doing is acetoning the whole sole. Acetone, like I said. So the steps I'm going to be using is acetone, then I'm going to scuff it up, acetone, scuff it up, then acetone, scuff it up again. Probably going to do this about 3 to 4 times, like I did on the other one. Yes, I'm almost done with another one. I'm just waiting on one final piece to complete it. And unlike my other videos, I ain't going to show y'all what it looks like yet, so y'all just going to have to watch the whole video, so sorry. But yeah, let me just get into doing this. Acetone it. I'll show y'all like the first step, because I don't think I should have to show you guys, but it's all good. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'm gonna show you like after acetone my scotch pad, and I'm just gonna go over the whole thing, just scratching up the surface pretty much. So yeah, let me knock this out real quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now that that step, well, process is all finished, the next thing I'll be doing is taping up the upper, so only the sole will be shown. I have my tape right here, so I'll be taping up the upper, then spraying the sole with adhesion promoter. And the adhesion promoter that I use is... Alright, so the adhesion promoter that I use is 3M adhesion promoter. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing the tape job, then spraying this. I'm going to be doing 3 coats of the adhesion promoter on the sole. So, let me knock that out, then we can move on to the next step. Alright, so let's go. Alright, and just to show y'all guys a little bit, I taped off my sneaker, taped off the little air pod right there. Now I'm just gonna simply just spray my acetone all over. So I'm gonna do the sides first, then I'm gonna do the bottom. Alright, it's not a race, so now just wait. I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes in between each spray. Alright, what's up? So we're back. I sprayed the adhesion promoter all over the bottom and all the sides and everything. So the next thing that I'll be doing is spraying it with my air gun with a Jacquard black airbrush paint. And I'm gonna do another cut just because my air compressor is over there on the ground, and of course it's loud. So be right back. Okay, so I almost forgot. I did 3 coats of the adhesion promoter. Now I'm gonna do 3 coats of black paint, and I'm gonna show you all the next step after that. Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but I did my first layer of black paint. It's gonna take a while because you don't want to just saturate it and just keep just piling on the black paint. So there's no rush, like I said, because you want to do it right. So a couple more coats and it should be completely blacked out. Then you can be able to move on to the next step. Alright, so as you can see, the sneaker is I'll show you the other side. It's all done. Well, not done, but the black is laid. So the next thing I'm going to be using is Riley Restoration's scratch resistant. I'm going to be going over the whole midsole and the bottom with this 3 times. So the process is going to be going over the bottom with this 3 times, then going back over it with black paint, then using this 3 more times over it and letting it dry up. Alright, so the scratch resistant sealer is all dried up. So what I'm going to do now, the next step, bear with me, I know it's a lot of steps, is 3 more coats of black paint. So yeah, it's going to be 3 more coats of black paint, finishing it off with 3 more coats of the scratch resistant sealer. Then I'm going to spray it with I use Krylon finisher spray, so that's what I'm going to finish it with. So I'll knock out this step with the black paint, knock out the next step with the scratch resistant sealer, then I'm going to knock out the last step with the spray. So yeah, bear with me, Alright, so the last coat of the scratch resistant sealer is on the sneaker. Now I'm just going to wait for it to dry, and I'll be using just plain old Krylon matte finisher, and that's going to be, no, it's not, that's almost going to be it for the sole. Then after the next step I will be doing is putting on sole shield that I got from Rejuvenator. So I'm going to put that on, then we're going to be completely finished with the whole sole of the sneaker, and I'm glad because it was a pain. But yeah, it's late right now, so next time you see me when I'm doing the rest of the custom, it's probably going to be the next day because I ain't finishing this tonight. But yeah, one step closer to finishing this Killmonger custom. Alright, so it is the next day, and slept pretty well. So today we'll be doing the next steps of this Killmonger custom. So like I said at the end of the last clip, I sprayed the bottom and everything, so that's pretty much done. I'm not going to put the sole shield on right now. I'm just going to wait until I finish the whole custom, then I'll throw that on at the end. So the next piece of this process will be untaping the whole upper, then spraying the upper, putting the cheetah print down on it. Have my gas mask, my stencil. I wish I had vinyl stencils, but I don't, so this would do. My heat gun, my airbrush. I have to put my airbrush together, but that's gonna take no time whatsoever. So yeah, let's untape this and just get around to laying this cheetah print on it. So let's go. Alright, so like I said, the next step of the process, I'm going to be using my stencil here to just spray the pattern on. I'm spraying white first. I'm going to do white pattern going all the way up the whole thing. Then I'm going to go back into it with my mixture of gold and metallic yellow and brown paint to color in all the whole pattern. So be back when I'll do the toe box, then I'll come back to you guys and show you what it looks like. And just like that legit took me like 2 seconds. I could have just showed you guys it to just spray the white pattern on the toe box. So now I'm just gonna follow the whole pattern, going all the way up. Matter of fact, I'll just show y'all some of what I'll be doing. I'll probably just show y'all the whole thing. It won't take too long. Just like that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you guys can see it on the camera. Just like that, and you saw how long or how fast it actually took me to do that. Now I'm gonna go in between and make it more detailed with the mixture of metallic yellow and brown jacquard paint that I have. So yeah, I'll be back when the process is complete. Well, the paint process is completely done. But one last thing. When I'm gonna do, like I told you, the mixture of yellow, metallic yellow and brown, and I'm also going to go over some of it with a light gray coat, so not all of it is going to be like just popping out yellow. Some of the pattern or the print is going to be like a dark gray. So yeah, show you guys the finished paint product when I'm done. All right, so the toe box is done. Laid down the like the goldish jaguar color. Now we're just gonna continue up this whole I guess little sock thing. Continue up the whole upper, then lay down the black, then on to the next step. Hopefully this shouldn't take too long, but here we go. Alright, so the gold cheetah or leopard print is laid. So next, I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll be spraying my Krylon finisher over the sneaker. Then I'll be adding, this is the one that's already done, I'll be adding the Soul Shield, Rejuvenator Soul Shield to it. Then the final step is, got something special to add to these, so I can't wait. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to dry, spray it up, then I'm gonna show y'all how to add the Soul Shield to it. Alright, so it's all done up, sprayed and everything. So the next step of the process is adding, the Rejuvenator Soul Shield. So I already cut it out and everything. Have my heat gun over there. So now I'm just gonna add this, and then I have to wait for the last piece. Alright, so I apologize for the light, but the last step before I can lace the sneakers up is I got these teeth from Etsy. These Killmonger teeth. I have a drill right here. I'm going to drill holes into them and use them as pretty much lace holders. So yeah, I'll be back to show you guys the final product. Again, I apologize for this crappy lighting. Alright, took me long enough, right? This was definitely like 2 months of work just waiting on stuff in the mail, like the teeth. I'm gonna just show y'all the sneaker. So I have finally completed my Fear of God Killmonger ones, as you can see. And when you put them together like that, it's like the necklace. Muy bien. Muy bien. Killmonger is my favorite MCU villain, so why not do a custom of his? Like, simple as that. But yes, like I said, I'm so happy I was finally able to finish these. It took these were 3D printed, these teeth. These were custom ordered 3D printed. It took the guy, I want to say like 2 months. Not even took him, it took me to get these in the mail like 2 months. Yeah, that's just it. I like these. I can't wait to put my foot and wear these to whatever event I plan on wearing these to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this custom. I apologize on how long it took. But again, like, comment, subscribe down in the, I was going to say down in the description. Just like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the little comment section. I try to get back to everybody. And oh yeah, follow me over there on Instagram too. Same name as it is on my YouTube. Fabcasso, all one word. That is Fabcasso. Fabcasso. And until next time, here's my the final rendition of my Killmonger Fear of God ones. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them. I like doing the custom and I like the way they came out. So until next time, you guys have a good day. Peace.